guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. But before anything else, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna use my favorite foundation these days. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade. It is mentioned in the description box down below. Applying it with a quite dense brush. For my most annoying skin issue, I'm using a very yellow concealer. And really pressing the concealer, especially in the inner part of my eye. For pastels or light colors, you have to really create a light base so that the color can pop out. This is the Makeup Revolution's Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. Before setting the concealer, make sure that there are no lines. Reminder, make sure that you set your smile lines. Using the Rimmel's bronzer in the shade Sun Glow to warm up my face. One thing I love about this bronzer is that it's not completely matte, so it gives you a very healthy glow. Blending the edges with the blender for a more smooth look. This is the Freedom Makeup Pro Blush palette and it has 6 mattes and 2 shimmer shades. That is me realizing that again I applied a lot of blush. If you are like me in case of blush, then Beauty Blender is your best friend. Adding a little more blush. Using the e.l.f. brow pencil. I don't do my in-depth brow routine because there ain't any. I don't know actually how to do eyebrows. I just fill them and color them. I don't know a lot about brow products, but this pencil is very beginner friendly. Like if you do your eyebrows with this, they won't look patchy or overdone. Using the James Charles Morphe palette, applying the shade in the crease. I'm not blending this shade, just packing it and creating the shape I want. Because I'll be blending it in a minute. Now blending in the shade very soft-handedly. I'm not taking the shade a lot towards the brow bone. Now packing this bright yellow color on the lid. Could not apply the color close to my lash lines, so now using a smaller brush, using the MAC Fix Plus to wet the brush, applying a very golden shade in my inner corners. This is the Floor Mars eyeliner. Applying the same colors on the lower lash line. Curling the lashes and applying mascara. Using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Spice Girl. Felt a little incomplete, so adding the same golden shade. And we are done. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. See you in my next video, chickies. Bye!